Allow me to pose a question to you. What if you could earn $2 for watching a basic video by simply clicking a button? What if you get 50 cents just for liking or commenting on a video? Furthermore, you can complete these simple tasks on your smartphone in as little as a few minutes per day, allowing you to earn real money online on a regular basis. You can get your money in a variety of ways, including PayPal, bank transfer, Bitcoin, and a range of other methods. This is a brand new website that no one else has ever heard of, and I'll show you how to sign up for a completely free global account. And if you stick with me to the finish, I'll give you a bonus trick that will earn you an extra $50 every day with no work on your side. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. I'd like you to have a look at these 5 different approaches that you can generate money on this website, as seen here. To begin, visit different websites and watch various commercial videos. Second, you can leave a social media interaction. You can get paid just for liking or sharing a video. Methods 2 and 3 are primarily performed through leading engagement, such as liking the video and posting basic comments. To move on to approach number 3, we can conduct some short surveys that are easy to complete and suitable for newbies. I'll show you a few instances in a bit. However, the final technique allows you to create a new simple account and sign up for free in order to receive bonus money. Make sure to stick around until the end so that you will not miss any important details. At the end of this video, I have a special bonus and a surprise waiting for you. Don't miss out on the opportunity to earn an extra $50 per day. In any case, as you can see, it can be done on any device. You can start making money online using your phone, computer, or tablet. You can be confident that this method works in any country and does not necessitate any expenditure. At the first stage, you must select a burning method. As you can see, there are several ways to make money on this website, and you can choose from any of these 5 options. Step 2. Follow the orders or start working on the job you've been allocated to start earning money. And for step 3, they'll give you a check once you've reached a particular amount. Using this brand new website, you can get it every day within 24 hours. So right now, all you have to do is sign up for a free account. Just enter zareclaimy.com on your Google search bar and click the registration symbol up above. This will lead you to this page where you can create a new account and begin earning money. To log into your brand new account, simply type your email address and password, then click the next button. Now that you've successfully created your account, the page will look like this. You can view your expected earnings directly on the dashboard, and since this is a fresh new account and hasn't done any jobs yet, you'll see $0. But don't worry, as soon as you start making money, it will appear on your dashboard. And the first step is to check your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from this company, which you must click to activate your account and start earning money. Anyway, I'd like you to click on the earn icon on the left, which will lead you to a page where you can select an earning technique. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. The 5 ways I previously demonstrated can be found here. Now, I'll show you the first method, which is to make money by viewing videos on the website and clicking on various advertisements. To begin earning, all you have to do is click this button. It will then direct you to this page. As you can see, we can start making money simply by surfing numerous advertisements as shown above. You have a few seconds to browse this page before the timer expires. All you have to do is browse through these pages, move around, and don't stay on the same page instead of simply dragging it around to show them that you're not a robot. They will credit the money to your account once the time limit has passed. They'll tell you the name of the website and will show you how much money you've made. If you want to close this advertisement, all you have to do is click the close button. However, you will be spending your time and receiving no money. As you can see, this is a common blunder to avoid. For example, if you click on the Learn button right here again, they may redirect you to a random YouTube video like this one. To begin watching the video, simply press the play button and stay until the timer runs out. This is important because you'll not be paid if you stop watching the video before the timer runs out. Let's look at the second example, leaving engagement on social media. To watch the video, simply press the play button and then go to settings to change the video quality to 144p so you can watch videos faster while saving data on your internet connection. So, if you want to get some additional cash, make sure you hit the like or share button on the video. They'll display the YouTube URL that you just copied. Just post it on your social media platforms. You'll be able to supplement your income by creating those engagements. Allow me to show you how to demonstrate this additional strategy in Zyreclaime. As you can see, you can earn an additional 12% commission by simply inviting or referring a friend to this website. All you have to do now is copy and share your unique referral links from this website with others. This is how we get the second source of revenue. Anyway, if you stick with me to the finish, I'll show you some additional websites where you may earn an extra $50 every day. Coinbase.com is a good place to start. I want you to click on the Start Earning button right here when you come to the main page. You'll be led to a page where you can earn cryptocurrency if you do so. Earn free money while learning about crypto, as the phrase implies. This website will present a free tutorial and several free courses in various videos, and we will be paid each time we view the video and complete the course. You can see different amounts for each video as you can see here, and that adds up to a significant sum of money. Now, I'd like to give you an example. If you scroll down below, you'll notice that there are a variety of starting lessons with a range of courses that not only teach you about cryptocurrency, but also pay you to view the video. So, once you finish one category, you can just come back here and look at various courses, continuing the process and earning money. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.